Alright guys, we have beautiful weather here in Hamilton. The North Alabama Airfest is going on in Decatur, and we're going to fly up to it. Let's get into it. So we've landed here in Decatur. Got my Cherokee parked next to an Archer 6, and then Bruce Eddy, he's got 172 over at Hamilton 2. So we've got a pretty good spot here. Porta potties reserved for pilots, and we're right on the show line too. So worked out pretty well. Plus where I learned to fly here. I have a pretty good selection of food. Dippin' Nuts, I'll be visiting that soon. Really anything you could want, they have. Let's see back here. Look at that. Pretty cool. This is my absolute dream airplane right here. Look at that. Serious. So here's one of those rotorway kit-built helicopters. Pretty cool. So we've been here for about an hour now. They opened the gates, so people are coming in now. My mom should be here soon, and we're gonna set up camp right outside of my airplane and get ready to watch the show. Here we are, 30 minutes prior to showtime. Just gobs and gobs of people here. Cherokee's parked down there. I moved up where I can see the taxiway. Several occasions.
idle yet, but I'll tell you, anytime if Dave is in town, you're going to want to watch. So, that Volkswagen been out there. Did you catch that wonder? Well, I thought it was a big Honda, wasn't it? Yeah, but who's driving that? I didn't know. That's Doug the Bug. That's Doug the Bug driving the Bug. It is, and you know what's special about Doug the Bug? I don't know, you're going to tell me, I'm sure.
It's the end of a great day here at North Alabama Airfest. We've got Mick about to pass through here now. Let's see. Here we are, just got back from the air show. Got the tow part and all that out. Still got a mess in the back of the airplane. GoPro kit. This was my great grandfather's hat. And then the hat I got in Alaska. But I wanted to show you. Here's the air show shirt. So I can say I did come home with something besides a great experience. It really was a great air show today. Hope it's a tradition I can continue flying into it. And I got to show off Cherokee 82 whiskey just a little bit. As always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.